If you can focus your mind on it, you can transform it. Everything around you begins with a single decision inside you. If you don't like the direction your life is going, then change it. No one is coming to fix it for you. You hold the power. You always have. You don't have to stay stuck. You don't have to accept failure. You don't have to live beneath your potential. You can become anything you choose once you decide. There comes a moment in life when enough is enough. A moment where you look at your situation and say, "This is not my final story." A moment where excuses lose their power and your hunger takes over. You get tired of surviving, tired of settling, tired of watching life pass you by while you stand still. That's the turning point. You must decide that you are done living. Small, done doubting yourself, done accepting less than what you deserve because you deserve more. A better life. A stronger version of yourself. Future that excites you. But nothing changes until you commit. The moment you truly commit, that's when everything begins to shift. First, in your mind, then in your actions, and finally, in your reality. You have to see it before you live it, feel it before you touch it, believe it before it becomes real. If you don't define your vision, life will define it for you. So set your goals, write them down, look at them every single day. Remind yourself why you started, create a plan, and more importantly, execute it, because dreams without action are just illusions. You have the power to reinvent yourself, but it requires work. While others are distracted, you must stay focused. While others are comfortable, you must stay disciplined. While others are resting, you must keep building. If you want it bad enough, nothing can stop you. Not fear, not opinions, not your past, not even your own doubts. Because when your desire becomes stronger than your fear, you become unstoppable. Life works in levels. Every time you grow, a new level opens, a new mindset, a new challenge, a new version of you. You can choose to stay where you are, or you can rise and demand more from life. Every dream you've ever had is possible, but you must be willing to fight for it. You must be willing to sacrifice your comfort, your time, your energy. You must give everything you have, because greatness is not cheap. It comes with a cost, and that cost is discipline, consistency, pain, growth. Nothing valuable comes easy. If it did, everyone would have it. While you are doubting yourself, someone else is afraid of your potential. Think about how far you've already come. You may not be where you want to be, but you are not where you used to be. That progress matters. Keep moving, keep growing, one step at a time, because success is built daily, not in one big moment. You need strong reasons for what you're doing, because life will test you, it will push you, it will challenge everything inside. You and your why will be the only thing that keeps you going. When your dream matters enough, you will endure anything to achieve it. It doesn't matter how long it takes. What matters is that you refuse to quit. When something is truly worth it, you don't need guarantees. You create your own path. You find a way, or you make one. Effort unlocks your hidden potential. The harder you push, the more you discover who you really are. There is greatness inside you that you haven't even touched yet, but it only reveals itself under pressure. So push, work, struggle, because that's where growth lives. Life will throw challenges at you, and you must respond with everything you have. Not what you wish you had, not what others have, but what you have. Your strength, your will, your determination. That's enough. This journey requires inner strength, not physical strength, but mental toughness, emotional resilience, spiritual power, the kind of strength that refuses to break, the kind that keeps going even when everything hurts, even when progress feels slow, even when no one believes in you. That is real strength, and you have it inside. You are capable of greatness. So stop playing small. Stop shrinking your dreams. Stop limiting your potential. Take ownership of your life. Do the work, not for rewards, not for recognition, but for who you are becoming. Be proud of your discipline. Be proud of your growth. Ask yourself, are you living like a champion? Do you train like one? Think like one? Act like one. Because champions are not born, they are built. built through effort, through sacrifice, through persistence. Push yourself to the next level, not just to succeed, but to become unstoppable. Your true power will never show unless you challenge yourself, unless you step into uncomfortable situations. Put yourself in positions where you must grow, where there is no turning back, where it's do or die, because in those moments, you discover your true self. You become stronger, smarter, more creative. You rise, and deep down, you haven't given your full effort yet, but you can. Starting today, decide to grow, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Commit to becoming the best version of yourself. Bring your talents into the world. Make your life count, because everything you need is already within you.